joined design because when I demoed electrical and programming when I first joined the team, and I also demoed design. And just after doing a little bit of the stuff and learning what each of them really did, I decided that design was the best fit for me.
Robotics is definitely going to help me with my career search. It's already helped me find where I wanted to go, what type of career I wanted to go into, but as well as it's just a really good experience being able to do hands-on learning with robotics and engineering in general in the process of taking an idea to actual thing.
So we'll cut it tomorrow.
Cool.
So we start looking now at the numbers.
So
It's not
you want
working.
me to write like?
It's
I'll
not
just,
working.
You know what? Since I'm looking for them, I'll just find it.
It's not
If I don't
working.
find
I'm
them,
supposed to
then I
talk to
don't
the
say.
actors.